Welcome back to Burger. So Amazon decided to do another Prime Day all of a sudden. Maybe they didn't make enough money on the first Prime. Yeah, that's a joke. I spent a couple hours last night and put together a list of some really good cooking deals, whether it's for your grill, whether they are grills or it's for your kitchen, and just some other kitchen items that I'm like, you know what, I use these all the time and these are actually pretty good price. So, and I'm going to put links in the description below of all of these items in case you're interested in them. You can click on my links below and you can go pick up those kitchen and grilling items. So let's get to it. The first one is the Lodge cast iron 4-piece cookware set. Now, I own this Dutch oven and the 10.5-inch skillet. So I own that. I don't own the griddle, but I would like to own that. This is a really good deal. As you can see, this is 43% off right now. $119.85. Now it's like $68. Lodge cast iron is made in Tennessee and it is fantastic stuff. Okay, moving on. This is for your griddle accessories or your grill. There's some of these you can use on their grill, of course. This is a 15-piece flat top grill accessories for Blackstone. They're just using keywords so that people find them. So this is $29.95 and originally $45.99. So you get 15 pieces with this. Oh, you get a nice cloche to steam your cheese on your burgers. The burger press, that's nice. You get a nice set of long tongs, 2 spatchies, and a nice scraper for your griddle top. Now, I actually have this exact one with the handle that shoots straight up like that, and I love it. It works very well. Looks like you also get like a salt and pepper shaker or seasoning holders, and then a couple squeeze bottles. If you do have a griddle, you know that a squeeze bottle comes in very handy anytime you need to add oil or any kind of sauce or anything like that. So that's great. It comes with both of those, and then it also comes with 4 egg rings too. I've never used those. I actually don't like them, but it comes with it. Not too bad. So for $30, you get a 36% discount right now during Prime Day. All right, moving on to these. Now, I purchased these, you can see, August 9th. So I actually own these exact gloves, and these say that they are rated for 1472 degree heat resistant grilling gloves. Now, I can tell you that they will burn your hands if you pick up something that's 1472 degrees. Now, that just means they're resistant to that ambient temperature, but you will feel that heat, especially if you grab a cast iron pan by the handle after it's been sitting on your grill for an hour. You will feel that heat. So be careful with these. They do work very well, but they are a really good price right now at $12.79 from $19.99. So not bad. And then you can select your different colors too. I own the red ones because the red ones I like. So now I don't own this, but I think I might pick this up at $39.99 original price, now down to $19.99. Oh, these babies are 15% off. So now those chicken wings in that basket don't look good. I think you would agree, but this is a good deal. You know, I'd actually like to use this to try to make some wings, or you could throw vegetables in there, things like that. And it also comes with these little chicken leg hangers. That's a pretty fun way to smoke your chicken legs. They just hang there in the smoke, you know? Okay, moving on. You got the Weber Original Kettle 22-inch charcoal grill. Now, I have this grill, and I love my Kettle grill. I mean, it's so easy to use. It's so much fun. It's just old school grilling, and this is a pretty good price, even though it's 10% off. These things don't usually go on sale from Weber, so not a bad deal at $139 for just a charcoal grilling machine. You know what I'm saying? So now I threw a Blackstone griddle on here because it's from $299 down to $199. 2-burner stand-up griddle, propane powered, not bad. This is a 28-incher, and it comes with a garbage holder. Kind of funny. Now, I love my griddle. I have the Camp Chef 4-burner griddle. That is a great griddle, and I use it almost every day. Even in the wintertime, I bring it into the garage. Griddle cooking is just so much fun, and, you know, I just highly recommend you get a griddle if you love to cook. And at $199, that's a great price. Okay, now we're at the Hexclad deal. Now, Hexclad kitchen pots and pans. Now, I own them. I love them. I particularly own the wok and this 6-piece set here. I do not own the pots and pans, but you know, I would love to have them. And at $649, this is an $890 bundle. It's now on sale for $650. Now, I know that may seem expensive for pots and pans, but trust me, you get what you pay for with pots and pans, and these are fantastic. They're dishwasher safe, metal utensil safe, they're non-stick, and how many times do you get a non-stick with metal utensil safe and being dishwasher safe? They're fantastic. Oh, and they're oven safe up to 500 degrees. So I've used mine in the oven. I've used them on my electric stove, on our old gas stove. So they work fantastic on every device that I've tried to use them on, and they go in the oven and then right in the dishwasher. They're wonderful. This is a great price. You can check their store. for the other bundle, for the other deals that they have on their individual pans. If you just want to try one pan, I think they might have a 10% off sale on their other pans, especially the griddle pan, which I would like to get even more than these pots and pans. Speaking of griddle, there's that Hexclad Griddle Pan. $139. I don't know that that's the sale price. I thought it was $149 was the original price of that, but it doesn't show what the original price is. So no big deal, but there's a 12-inch hybrid stainless steel griddle non-stick fry pan. Again, oven safe, metal utensil safe, and dishwasher safe. So super great pan, and they're just sexy pans, you know? And a food scale. If you don't have a scale in your kitchen, whether you like to bake and you need to measure out your flour for your dough, or you're buying bulk ground meat and you need to separate it into 1 pound balls of meat, burger balls, you know what I'm saying? This is a great deal. $9.99 for a kitchen scale. You will find, if you don't own one, that you will use it more than you think you would. And for $10, it's a good pickup. All right, I'm definitely getting this one. I've always wanted one of these. This is a French fry cutter. Nail it to the wall out by your grill, and you just crush some potatoes into French fries. These are fun to use. They're easy to use. You don't really have to clean them. They're just kind of there, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, oh, look at those big old French fries there. You just throw the tater right in there, smash it down, and you get those fries. So easy to use, and then you fry up your French fries nice and easy. And it looks like they've got some other styles too, so you can choose between those styles. But at $39.99, this is 50% off from $80, so not bad at all. And that's one of those lightning deals, so you might want to get that fast. Okay, cutting boards. Now, I actually own the white version of these ones. We use them every single day. They're dishwasher safe, which is why I use them. We use them for raw meats, things like that, but raw meats, we use them for vegetables, we use them for everything. Good deal, $20. Now, this is a Sous-Vide precision cooker. Now, I do not own this, but it seems like a pretty good deal, from $149 down to $90. If you ever wanted to try Sous-Vide, this might be a cheap way to get started with it. So, you know, it seemed to have good reviews. 85% are 5-star reviews. This seems like a pretty good deal at $90. Nice and easy to use. There you go, Sous-Vide. This is the Traeger Pro Series 575 wood pellet grill and smoker. Download the app, and then you can control everything and watch it cook on your phone. So that's fun. Now, it's not a huge grill. 2 chickens, a rack of ribs, 3 steaks, and some corn up there. And it looks like some asparagus scattered throughout. So looks like it holds quite a bit. And at $497, this baby is 45% off. It's $8.99 originally. Not bad at all. Now, I do not own a Traeger, but my buddy owns one and he loves it. So $497 for this deal is pretty good for a pellet smoker. So if you buy those cast iron pans that I was telling you about, now you get a little holder for them. Now, cast iron pans are very heavy. They're kind of a pain in the butt to store, but this looks like it keeps it nice and organized for you. So pretty simple of a thing. $17. Original price is $36.99, so looks like a pretty good deal. Oh, and it's the exact height of a paper towel roll. That's fun. Okay, so you can organize all those nice cast iron pans once you get them. We have a Solo stove. Now, I own a Solo stove, and we love it. It is fun to use. It's easy to use. Now, we actually own the smaller version of this one. This is the Yukon. This, you know, smokeless is kind of I'm going to put that in quotations and air quotes, because you'll definitely still get some smoke. But this is 30% off for $315 right now. Original price is $449. Good deal on a portable. Now, we've even put this on the deck, and it's great. There's a space underneath with air, and it separates the fire from the base that you have it on, and, you know, it does a great job, and this baby gets hot. Don't touch it once it's going. Let me tell you, I learned from experience on that one. This is an awesome deal. Now, if you ever tried to grow your own vegetables or herbs in your kitchen, this is the easiest way to do it. Now, this is the Aerogarden Harvest 360. It comes with herb seed pods. So you just pop these herb seed pods in there and then hit start. Add water and the fertilizer, and it does the whole thing for you. And it's super easy to use, and these things will just grow like crazy. Your vegetables and your herbs will grow like you will not believe how big they get and how long they last. So we love ours. We use it all the time. At $165, this is 53% off. It's $76. This is a great deal. You should definitely pick this one up if you love to have fresh herbs and veggies in your food. Kitchenaid stand mixer. We use ours all the time, and we've got a bunch of different attachments for it. It's like the meat grinder attachment, we have the spiralizer attachment, we have the noodle attachment. It's for homemade noodles, and this thing is awesome. It's a beast. These things are usually $350. This one's listed at $379.99 down to $259. If you like to make bread or make desserts or make pasta or make cookies or anything, I mean, this stuff it makes your life so much easier. You'd be surprised at the new things you'll try to make when you have a KitchenAid stand mixer. These things are great. They're time tested. I mean, people have them on their counter as decoration nowadays. If you don't have one and you've always been eyeing one up, this is a good time to do it at $259.99. All right, going into keeping your cast iron clean. Now, this is a chainmail scrubber, nice and easy. I mean, it is what it is. It's stainless steel. You get some stuff stuck onto your cast iron pans. This is a good way to clean it. Just mix some hot water and some soap and just scrub away with this baby. $7.99, not bad. There we go. Okay, so like I said before, if you found any of these items interesting and you want to pick them up for yourself, there'll be links in the description below so you can check those out. And thank you for watching. I know this is a bit of a longer one, but I did some research for you, so you don't have to. And if you get any of these items, or if you find any other deals, you're like, ooh, you should get this one, Chris, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you picked for this extra Prime Day that Amazon has graciously given us. Whatever. Anyways, there's some good deals there. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.